Okay, more parts. There's more early stuff. What else we got already? There's some early stuff. Early stuff. Alright. So this is fork parts, steering damper parts. So this is the steering damper upper. This is the handle that works it. Turn your steering damper on and off. It goes inside the Springer front end. This is the piece that goes up on top. Get rid of that piece. So this piece engages into the oval. Power will go in there. Of course, it's all been chrome plated. So that engages like that, and that's what rotates in the fork. This unscrews in the fork, which moves this up and down, which locks your friction stuff that's down here. This is not the correct piece. This is just a piece of all thread. So these two pieces are here is what we're looking for. This is for a 45 flathead. It's got smaller diameter to it. Big twin has a bigger size to it because it's a bigger neck. This is a 7/8 neck instead of a 1-inch neck. It's a little bit smaller. The handle's the same. So, and they started chroming them, you know, post-war, but probably by 41 they started putting chrome on the bikes. But definitely after the war they did it. So that's that part. This here is the Springer top cover. And the top nut dropped on the floor. So this is goes over the Springer fork right there, and this piece here pokes through the top of it. And this is your top nut that holds it together. This one here is a 1-inch neck. So that means if it's a big twin. So this all came off the same bike, so maybe this is a big twin one. Looks a little small to me, but it only goes inside of a 1-inch neck, so that might be a big twin. When they're not together, it's hard to tell, but anyway, this goes through here. This is for inline fork. If it's an offset, then this would be down lower. So this is for an inline fork, which is 40. What do you do the inline fork? The offset fork I think came out in 45. I think definitely by 46. I'm thinking 45. 1945, not for 45-inch. 45-inch bikes all had inline forks. Big twin switched. So, and like I said, this is not a 7/8, it's a 1-inch. It's for a big twin. This would work on either one. And this also goes through the crown nut, which locks the crown nut so that your neck bearings will stay where they're supposed to be. And the handlebars is right in the middle of this, so it goes through 3 pieces. So, don't have those to show you, but that's what it looks like. Then for the 45 head bolts, we got some head bolts here. So, I'll grab the stuff here, another video.